Hey everybody, it's Paul Grossman. I'm the Dark Arts Wizard up on Twitter, and today I'm going to be showing you how to organize your automation workspace. All right. What I mean by that is the desktop area and where we're going to be placing both our browser, in this case I've got Internet Explorer browser, and Unified Functional Testing tool with some code. I do want to give you this quick run, and we're going to walk you through some of the code over here. Let me just give this a run. One of the reasons I do this is because when I am executing my script, I'm often taking screen captures of what's going on, so I can get a screen capture of my application. And what I like to do is actually run my script so that I can see my code. And if I take a screen capture, I know exactly where my code was when it broke over here or the application generated or an error. And also I can do some output so I know exactly where I was spitting code out at the point something went horribly wrong. And I can get both of those things in a single screen capture. I can't do it very effectively if everything's kind of randomly located around the screen. So the way I'm going to do that is that I am going to create a bunch of objects. First of all, I need to know what the height and the width of this screen is so that if it runs on different screens, that these windows actually will adjust to the proper screen resolution. So in that case, I created an object. You notice I've got 3 of them. This is the global desktop object. I use global because I want to be able to reference these objects in other functions without having to pass them as parameters and recreate them every time. They aren't going to change as they go along. So I've got a desktop, a browser, and the window for the Unified Functional Tester. You'll notice that the desktop over here uses this particular parameter, regx wind title, that is regular expression window title. I'm using Program Manager to go and identify that. And I pick up the height and the width of that. And as it turns out, the height and width of this recording is 1600 by 900. Next, I'm going to go and get the browser window. This is not the browser. It is actually the window of the browser so that I can move it and resize it. If you happen to be trying to work in Firefox, this is the way we do it with the regular expression window class. Mozilla window class right there. If you need to do it with Chrome, there's Chrome's description with a little bit of a regular expression actually embedded in there. And lastly, we're going to do this in Internet Explorer using IE frame. The next thing is I need to figure out where we're going to put that. I want to have 3/4 of the screen be used by the browser. So that's going to be 75% of 1600. That gives me 1200 there. And I want 35 pixels less than the height. Why is that? Well, in case I happen to move my mouse and it ends up going to off the screen over here, I don't want to be triggering my own toolbar down there. So I definitely want this off the toolbar. Next, I'm going to go and resize my browser and then move it into the upper left-hand corner like so. Great. The next thing I want to do is move UFT to the right-hand corner again. I'm going to get 25%. That's what's left of the screen over here. Again, the same size over there. This is the way I'm going to be using WinUFT. You'll notice that I'm not using HPE or microfocus in the description. I'm just calling it Unified Functional. So in case the company name changes in future versions, and I'm using version 14.01 right here, then I don't have to go and change this code. It stays relatively stable unless they change the name of the application. That's possible, but it's a quick fix. All right, I'm going to go and resize my automation tool, which I just did, and then move it over into this corner over here. That's all you got. We are now spitting out a lot of the information we had out here. Again, if you like this video, please feel and share it and like me up on Twitter. And like me, hey, you can even find me on Facebook. I'm hanging out at the Advanced Test Automation group up on Twitter. And again, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Like and share. Have yourself a great day from the Dark Arts Wizard.